this video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving WhatsApp messages without turning off your internet. Of course, we use WhatsApp for communication and it's very essential in our daily life. But sometimes we are very busy that we still want to use our internet, but we don't want to receive messages on WhatsApp. In this episode, I'm going to show you 2 methods you can apply to stop receiving messages on your WhatsApp. In the first method, we are using 2 WhatsApp on our phone, one on our left and one on our right. Proceed to locate your settings, then scroll down to locate your apps and click it. From there, locate your WhatsApp. In our case, we are going to use the WhatsApp business. Then proceed to force stop this WhatsApp. Click on this icon on the bottom right corner, then proceed to OK. After that, locate your WhatsApp app. Then try sending a message to this contact. So you could notice that this message has been ticked only once. That means this message has not yet been delivered to the other WhatsApp. So as long as on my phone I didn't open my WhatsApp, this message will not be delivered to me. So let's proceed to open it and see whether now the message will be received or not. This message has now been delivered. And when we locate our other WhatsApp, now we could see that this message is now ticked twice. So this is the first method that we can use. With the second method, proceed to your Play Store. In the search engine, type pause it and hit enter. Pick the one with this best match and make sure you install it. After that, open. Then proceed to pause it again. Allow a moment, then close this ad. On this interface, you have a flexibility and other bunch of options, so you can turn off the specific apps that you want. In our case, we want to turn off this WhatsApp. After that, proceed to toggle this pause selected apps, then proceed to OK. Now proceed to OK again. After this process is done, don't close this app, but you can minimize it. You can proceed to use your phone and browse all your internet without your WhatsApp being activated. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to respond to you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.